Hello, welcome to the channel. If you're meeting me for the first time, my name is Uchenna. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through different ways that you can make money in the Web3 space, especially if you are a beginner. I know that one of the challenges people who are just coming into the Web3 space face is that they find it difficult to figure out the different ways that they can make money in the space. When they think about Web3 crypto, all that comes to mind is trading. But the truth is, trading is not the only way to make money in the Web3 space. So if you're looking for ways to make money in the Web3 space, sit tight as I take you on the journey and introduce you to different avenues with which you can make money. I'm not just going to tell you about them, I'm going to show you and guide you through how you can do these things and succeed. So while you're doing that, do well to give this video a thumbs up if you find value in it, and also subscribe to my channel if you're yet to do so that you can get notified each time I drop content like this. So without wasting much time, let's get to the business. The first way to actually make money in the Web3 space is airdrop farming. Airdrop farming has proven to be one of the easiest, the cheapest way of making money in the Web3 space. It actually doesn't require any technical skills. You just need to perform a few tasks that the project you're farming actually requires you to do, probably to follow them on social media, to comment on their posts, or probably to run a node on your phone or on your computer. It is as simple as that. The good news is that majority of them doesn't require you to pay any money. You just need to have access to internet connection, a phone or a laptop, and power to be able to stay active to farm this airdrop. But it has its own challenge, because sometimes you may spend a whole lot of time farming this airdrop, even for months, and at the end of the day you get nothing. A lot of persons have given up in airdrop farming because of issues like this. But the solution to this is actually not just clicking on any link just because your favorite influencer said you should do this particular airdrop, that it has the potential to give you this, or it's gonna make you $10,000 or $5,000 or $1,000, and you click, and after a whole lot of time you discover that the influencer actually cashed out but you made nothing. So the best way is to actually do your own research before embarking on a particular project. Try as much as you can to avoid airdrops that are referral based, because if you keep on participating in an airdrop that heavily depends on referral and you don't have the number, there's every tendency that you're not going to make much from it and you're going to get frustrated. So I myself, I am farming quite a few. As you can see, I farmed NotePay season 1 and season 2. I'm also farming season 3. Then I'm also farming block mesh. I'm also farming grass, I'm farming dawn, and I'm also farming gradients. So I'm farming quite a few of them. You just need to do your research and farm projects that you believe in their potential, and also not have a high expectation, because one of the reasons why people feel they didn't get much is actually setting unrealistic expectations. The next is Web3 jobs. Unlike airdrop, Web3 jobs requires skills. So if you have some sort of skills that you can use to help projects thrive, then you can look for Web3 jobs to offer them these skills in exchange for payments. If you're a graphic designer, if you're a video editor, if you're a developer, if you're a marketer, whatever skills that you have, you just need to look closely to see how you can use it to help projects and you make money off it. One of the challenges people have is actually finding these jobs, because the space is competitive, so you need to know your way around for you to be able to even get this job. That is where job platforms actually come into place. We have several Web3 job places where you can look for Web3 jobs. One of those places is web3.career. Once you come to this kind of platforms, you just have to scroll through to find something that you know you can do. If you want to learn more about where to get jobs, check out my video on where to find Web3 jobs. I did a comprehensive video on that and how you can improve your cover letters to stand out with AI in just few minutes. That is that for Web3 jobs. The next option is affiliate marketing slash referral program. Affiliate marketing slash referral programs is one of the ways that you can easily make money in the Web3 space. And it doesn't require money for you to start, and you are not risking anything. You just need to look out for products or exchanges that you use and you enjoy their service and promote it to other people who might have not heard about it. And when people join through your link, you receive a commission. Virtually all the exchanges, they have a referral or affiliate program. You just need to scroll through to the footer of their website. Like as you can see in Bybit, here is the referral program. So once you click on the referral program, it will take you to their referral page or affiliate page, where you get to read about their commission, how much they pay per person you bring to them. Then when you look at it, if it is something that you know is worth your time, then you can sign up and begin to promote it to people. But then you can say, oh, I don't have large following, how am I gonna do it? You don't really need large followers to be able to profit from affiliate marketing. What you need is to look out for unique products. For example, if there's an exchange that most people are not really using, you can look out for features that actually made those exchanges stand out. For example, there was a time we were hearing a whole lot about Bybit's P2P, how scammers are there. If as at that time you have a good alternative, you can look for places where such discussion is going on in places like X. So share your own side of the story and recommend the new one that you found, that the P2P works seamlessly. In that way, nobody will even think whether you're promoting it or not, because they will go click on your link, check it out. If they're not yet registered, they can register and begin to do their P2P there. You've actually helped them to solve a problem. Why them joining through your link, they've also helped you to make money. In this particular space, you make money by helping people. Besides exchanges, there are other products that you can actually look at for. If it is something that is you love using, if there's a particular staking protocol that you've been using to stake or to farm liquidity pool and it requires referrals, you can also talk about it and refer your close people for them to use it. They can write about it, you can do video about it, but you just know that you have to promote it to be able to make money off it. So that is how to make money with affiliate marketing in the Web3 space. The next is staking. Staking is also one of the easiest ways to make money in the Web3 space. Staking is just about locking up your assets for a particular period of time for a reward. Many central exchanges, they have in program. So once you go to Bybit, Binance, Bitgate, Mesic, just any exchange that you're using, you will definitely see their end program. All you have to do is to check out the page to see what they offer, how many percent they offer, and the assets that you can lock up to actually earn the reward. Most of them, they have options for USDT, USDC, and other coins. For beginners, I recommend that you go for coins like USDT and USDC, since they are pegged to $1. You're sure that within your staking period, the value of your asset is not going to drop, because you may pick another coin, then before the time elapses, if the price was at $1, it has moved from $1 to 0.02. As at that particular point in time, you are in total loss. And if you don't have the patience to wait for it to rise back to $1, which you don't even know when that is going to happen, because it's not guaranteed, it may never come back to $1 again. So you have lost that particular money. So in order for you to stay safe, you can go for places that allows you to stake USDT or USDC that you know you're not gonna lose money. Staking is pretty simple. I'll just use NotePay staking portal to show you what it looks like. So once you land on the staking portal, all you have to do is to connect your wallet if you're not connected it. In this case, my wallet is already connected. Once you connect your wallet, you choose the amount. Now in the wallet, I have around 125.71 NSC, and the APR is 60%. If I stake this particular NSC that I have here, I'm going to get 3.13 in 15 days. So all I have to do if I want is to enter the exact amount. If I want to use all the video, I can just click on max, then select the time. I can reduce it if I don't want 15 days. The more I reduce it, the more the reward drops. You can see from 3.13 to around 2.08 for 10 days. Once I am okay with what I have chosen, then I will just click on stake and my asset will be locked up for that particular period of time. Once it is time, the asset that I stake plus the reward will be returned back to my wallet. The next on the list, which is actually the final one for this particular video, is sports trading. Sports trading is one of the ways that you can make money in the Web3 space. I actually included it here because it is beginner friendly. Though for you to be able to trade sports, you need a bit of technical analysis. You need to know what price action does. You need to know what this red candle is, what this green candle is. Like, your chart doesn't really need to look like this. You just need to know the basics. If you would want me to do a beginner friendly technical analysis video that guides you through the basics you need to be able to do basic analysis, let me know in the comment section. Just type in technical analysis. When I get enough requests, I will do the video. Basically, sports trading is all about buying low and selling high. You buy when the coin is down and you sell when the coin is going up, and you make a few percentage of it. I actually included it here because it's less risky than future trading, where you need leverage and all of that. But remember, this is not a financial advice. This is just me sharing what I know. Ensure to do your due diligence before putting your money into anything in the crypto space, because it is volatile. So sports trading is actually easy. You don't lose until you sell. But if you know your basic technical analysis, you would be able to know when to enter the market and when to exit the market, and your stop loss and take profit is also going to be your best friend. You just know that you are not going to win all the time. You know when to cut your loss and move on. So these are basically the 5 ways that you can make money in the Web3 space. But before you can profit from something, you have to learn. I saw a video recently where somebody said he lost 17 million naira to crypto, and in the comment section on FB, a lot of persons were saying that crypto is scam. Well, the issue is that most people venture into these things without proper knowledge. They just heard that, oh, I made XYZ, and they carry their money to jump into it. No, you don't do that. For you to stay profitable, you need to keep learning. You need to keep upgrading your knowledge. What you know is what is going to differentiate you. How much you know is actually going to depend how much you're going to make from the system. So you don't want to be an exit liquidity, and you also don't want to be in this space for long without making anything reasonable for yourself. So you have to be intentional about your journey in this space. So thank you for staying by. This is actually going to be the end of the video, but do well to like this video if you actually got value from it, and also subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you for staying by. See you in the next video.